I know you're scared. You wanna hold away some clothes. You're fine. I know you hurt.